Now, here's another slide. I'm always having to refer to Kai Zizong. When I talked to him the first about building a graphite thorium reactor, his reaction was, do you know how much nuclear-grade graphite? Do you remember this? He says, this is the equivalent of gold. You know, it's so expensive a material. It's equivalent to gold. Well, I've done a little research, and you're almost right. It's as expensive as silver. Okay. But it's worth it. So, here, how do we get the cooperation of the oil companies? If we want them to stop burning oil, why would they do that? We say, you know, these are stranded assets. They're not going to do it. They're going to use all their power, all their money to influence the politicians as they are. You must say, you can earn even more money by not burning the oil. What is that? Well, we already know what that process is. It is this. The fossil fuel industry can move up the value chain. So today we make nylon from oil. If you take nylon fiber, which is you can make in any arbitrary length, you heat it up to 900 degrees, it becomes carbon. It becomes very weak. But if you heat it up to 2,800 and higher, it graphitizes. It becomes very strong bonds, which becomes a fiber. Okay? That fiber you can make of arbitrary length. Stronger than steel, lighter than steel. If you have fiber, you twist it, you get yarn. If you weave the yarn, you get fabric. And once you have fabric, you can make anything. Okay? That is carbon fiber technology. Okay? So here's a carbon fiber fabric. What can you make out of it? You can make airplanes. Okay? You can make nuclear reactors. How much is this worth? So this is very funny units. A Boeing 787 is worth about $1,000 per kilogram. Okay? That's less than gold. More like silver. Okay? Kai Zizong was right in direction. Molten salt breeder reactor, we have to add one more step because this set's full of holes. Okay? You have to seal up the holes. It'll be more than $1,000 per kilogram. Without sealing it, it's also $1,000 per kilogram because it's that choice. We know, we bought one of these. That's what it costs, $1,000 per kilogram. So there's only a few industries that can afford this at today's prices, high-end luxury cars, airplanes, nuclear reactors. But eventually, this material should supplant other kinds of building materials or add to the repertoire of building things. Lighter than steel, stronger than steel.